What's up, online shoppers? We are into hot season and there are all kinds of different gadgets out there to help you stay cool, but one of the ones that I've found to be most successful is by using water and a refillable pack that you can cool, chill, or freeze to help keep you cool. This is a reusable chiller that you can use by freezing it in the freezer, adding in ice cubes and water, or you can use it by storing it in the fridge for a couple hours to get everything in here nice and cool. Now, what I love about it is how comfortable it is on my neck. This is great for helping to relieve tension at the end of the day, helping to provide cooling relief when you might have a headache, or maybe post-exercise when you want a way to cool down really quickly. The Dicever OutCool You Flex Neck Cooler is definitely awesome for that. In the package, you get one OutCool You Flex Neck Cooler, and you get this really cool microfiber cloth that you can actually wrap around your U-Flex. Right here is the valve that you just untwist. It has a nice big opening, as you can see, so you can actually put ice cubes in here, and it does have a really nice little silicone gasket built in so that it doesn't leak. Now, once you've got your preferred cooling method chosen, all you have to do is just literally put it around your neck and enjoy the comfort of that cool right up against your skin. The U-shaped cooler is made from a really nice, soft, smooth, ductile material. It won't crack if you drop it or if you put it in the freezer. Just remember, don't fill it right to the top if you're freezing it, because it will cause it to expand. The other thing that's nice about this is it's just using the natural cooling properties of water. That is pretty awesome. Now, how do you use the little towel? Pretty simple. It has one little snap here. Spread it out and connect it like this with the snaps. And then I usually shift the seam of this to the outside like this. The snap part goes on the flat on the back here like that. And then you can put it around your neck this way. You can even tie this in a knot if you want to keep it locked in place. It's really nice and soft against your skin. It does help to prevent the ultra cold frozen surface from being right up against your neck, which might cause some irritation. So if you're looking for a way to stay cool, maybe help ease some neck tension or some heat at the end of an exercise session, even if you're outside gardening, this is a great little thing to keep in your bag. You can pop it in your cooler, grab it when you need it, and then throw it back in the cooler to cool off. No batteries required. Easy to use, definitely reusable, comfortable to wear around the house, at work, sitting at the beach. Definitely makes this a family favorite at our house.